Good morning. This is Mission Control Houston live from the International Space Station Flight Control Room, where teams are monitoring the final approach of Northrop Grumman's Cygnus cargo vehicle, delivering about 8,200 pounds of research, crew supplies, and hardware to the International Space Station. Cygnus is currently inside the approach ellipsoid, or what we like to call the neighborhood of the International Space Station. Here's a live look now at Cygnus on its way to the International Space Station. Cygnus is currently sitting about 598 meters away from the International Space Station, and is looking like an on-time capture around 5:10 a.m. Central Time.
Houston Station, we confirm 30-meter hold per step 6. The VV mode is hold, and the primary range is 30.75.
Copy.
You just heard from Capcom Leslie Ringo here in Mission Control Houston, relaying to MacArthur and Pesquet that Cygnus has arrived to the 30-meter hold point successfully. Again, teams are working now and running a series of checks to make sure everything looks good on the vehicle before its final approach to the station. The space station and Cygnus are currently traveling over South America.
Station Houston and 2, Cygnus has resumed approach to the capture point. Monitor approach within 30 meters per step 7 and 1.102. Crew is primed to issue retreat if the primary range is less than 6 meters.
We see VV mode is approach. The primary range is decreasing. Nominal block Bravo, no change.
Copy.
That was Leslie Ringo and European Space Agency astronaut Thomas Pesquet confirming that Cygnus is back on track and approaching that capture point this morning. We are expecting that about 7 minutes and 30 seconds from now. At the controls of the robotic arm today is Megan MacArthur, and she will be capturing Cygnus at 5:10 a.m. Central Time. This is the final approach as Cygnus heads into the capture point. Once Cygnus is captured, there are several more steps to make sure Cygnus is ready to be installed to the International Space Station.
Station Houston and 2, go for Cygnus capture sequence. Step 4 and 1.110 Cygnus capture. Begin monitoring the backaway cue card.
Copy, we'll go for step 4 in 1.110, and we're monitoring the backaway cue card.
Good read back.
That was Capcom Leslie Ringo confirming Cygnus's go for capture. All the milestones this morning are complete. Now heading into our last step of the capture itself. In just a few more minutes, we should start seeing the robotic arm moving in closer to Cygnus for an on-time capture today, around 5:10 a.m. Central Time. Canadarm2 is now over the pin. Snares are close, now waiting for that final stage of capture. And we have confirmed capture at 5:07 a.m. Central Time, 6:07 a.m. Eastern, as the International Space Station and Cygnus were flying 270 statute miles above southwest Portugal.
Thanks, Leslie. On behalf of the Expedition 65 crew, I'm pleased to bring the Cygnus spacecraft SS Ellison Onizuka aboard the International Space Station today. Our congratulations go out to the combined teams from Northrop Grumman and NASA for the mission successes so far. This mission enables groundbreaking research through which we hope to meet Colonel Onizuka's challenge to enable the next generation to look out from a higher plateau.